First impressions are everything in the retail industry or any other world, and nothing seals that first impression like stunning packaging or presentation. Avicii Digital Service blends eye-catching design to make your product, image, background, or brand shout, "Pick me," from the shelves. This is where your brand's story gets visual and verbal flair. What our label and product packaging design delivers. 1. Innovative packaging design to stand out with creative, brand-aligned packaging that demands attention. Differentiate products from competitors. It also helps in the identification of product variants within a brand, such as different flavors or sizes. 2. Impactful label creation and information helps consumers make informed choices. 3. Compliance and readability check, ensuring your packaging meets all industry standards. 4. 3D mock-ups, to visualize your product in its new attire before it hits the market. Our accurate and complete labels can also protect consumers from misleading or unsafe products. 5. Print-ready files for immediate printing and production. 6. Websites, customized background image for products, videos, office background, building, places of noticeable location for attention to details. What can How team of professionals here on Avicii do for your brand? We will curate a professional label design, cosmetic packaging, food packaging, coffee packaging, building, locations, natural wall background, luxury packaging, among others, to boost your brand presentation and visibility. Why choose us? Our professionals are at least 16 years of experience and above in branding, the highest rate of returning customers in the digital consumers market space. Order with guarantee and assurance. Order with the product code for product identification and get your work delivered to you in no time.